fucking lying.
I'm so serious, bro. I'm so serious. Like,
Did your parents would flip their shit?
nobody flip their shit. That's why she's like, she texted the nigger. She's like, me and my friends are going to play volleyball. Yeah, I have my mom and dad. I just see all kids. Because mine are not
Yeah,
more than
they're
a
not
crew.
Mormon.
They're not more than a crew. So I got this Brittany Noble mask skirt from her. I was like, oh my god. But
Dude, that's insane, Marissa.
no, yeah, bro.
What if they find out?
I mean, also they're like,
That's what I'm thinking.
what's
That's
the
what
story?
it's
You know, like, I don't know, nobody really cares enough to snitch. Not that I would care enough either.
Well, not just that. Also, okay, but roles reversed.
What do you mean?
She would get your. She would tell your parents
know,
right
bro.
away.
I know.
Wait, are there any more?
But like, I don't want to be that person.
When's Chandra? And you had
Chad, look at the Red Bull.
He is.
He always has like a Red Bull.
I know he came with like his pockets just filled with Red
Bro, that's crazy. I can't. I actually haven't had any coffee today. I haven't had any coffee today. It's like a miracle. I'm actually like awake right now. Yeah. Oh, is it like the little galaxy one or something?
I just made coffee at home and I put it in.
Mm-hmm.
I was like,
Yeah, like I got Mia got me this like Dutch's gift card. Yeah.
Wait, Emma.
oh, she knows.
Why do you go from 1 over 1 plus
No,
sine
yeah.
theta to
And
1
she-
minus
she
sine
just-
theta over
she
1
felt
minus sine
bad.
theta?
I multiply the top and bottom by 1 minus sine theta.
Oh, okay.
I was like, you don't need to do
Okay, that
that.
makes
She's like,
sense.
no, I want to. And I'm
Wait,
like,
that's so cute.
no, yeah. And he's like, you don't need to go and send me a Dutch gift card just because of that.
Let's see.
Like, no, what the next Dutch gift you want me? But, oh.
She said it's only 50, girl.
Wait, literally. But she like give me like this $25 Dutch gift card. I'm like, no, it's not my birthday. Like, what do you do?
She wants you.
Literally.
Looks like she wants you or something.
She's so bad.
Is that right?
Secant square theta,
Bro.
tan theta, minus
I just
tan
can't remember my
secant.
identities from there to there.
Secant tan tan theta. Yeah, right?
Okay.
That makes sense. I'm gonna use you as my answer sheet.
I have no fucking idea if I'm doing this shit right.
I'm giving
Want us to ask chat to see if they get the same answer as you?
No, wait,
Chat GPT.
No, wait. Which classes?
You
You ended up doing like
physics, top 5.
You ended up doing top 3, right?
Nope.
I might just
We're
post them in the
doing DE?
Discord and
No.
be like, did everyone get the
I
same
don't have to do
answers?
the
Fair.
Wait, you don't?
I tried
think
to put the
Daniel would
counselors
probably
at
correct
San
me.
Jose and I was like, yo, do I need this bullshit ass DE class or top 3? And
What? Okay.
like, bless up.
Okay.
They were like, well, there are no.
Yeah.
I'm leaving.
My parents wouldn't even
I
pay
wouldn't
that
do
shit
that
on my
before I
birthday
left.
anymore. Honestly, they wouldn't. Maybe like several years ago.
Yeah, they've been hella.
Bro, wait, can I tell you about this shit? Can you know what? Okay, so her 18th birthday. Okay, her 18th birthday was literally like
Bye.
It was
My
like-
laptop's dead.
today's 29th.
Do you
Yeah,
need
it was
the
like
charger?
4 days ago.
I have my charger, but I
can't remember.
kind of need to go out for a walk.
Need to get out of
Literally
here.
like 4
Yeah.
fucking days ago.
I'm
Yeah.
Also gonna step
I
up on
just
before I
told
do
her,
this last one.
oh, you can't go out
Yeah.
for your
Alright.
birthday.
Bye.
Like, we're not gonna go out to dinner. They're gonna have dinner at home. So that was the first strike. The first strike. It's because it's like, no, it's fucking.
What the hell, boy?
Like every
What is
single fucking birthday.
it?
Like we're not.
Why are you
This is
recording
my
me?
dad's birthday.
We're recording nothing.
Surprise, surprise.
Such a time.
Who would I guess?
So yeah,
Us, study with me,
also,
fast
my mom,
forward
like, made a
stuff.
dig at my dad, so he was an alcoholic.
Dude, your
I
mom's
was dead. No, she's just like, oh, literally. My mom was like Don't marry an alcoholic, guys.
Remember when?
Oh my god, I forgot what she said that one time, but she was like, she made another day like, was that your dad or you guys?
I don't know. She always makes a dig at everybody.
She like pointed at him. Oh, it was when we were doing Bible study. She pointed.
Oh
she
yeah.
Don't marry her.
Don't marry him. You guys does this or whatever the
Whatever the
bullshit.
fuck she
No,
said.
yeah.
It was so cute.
No, yeah, I was like dying. It's like, bro, this happens like every single freaking business day. But yeah, so, you know, my parents were like, yeah, we're not gonna go after your 18th birthday.
That's
And we also can't have a party either.
Wait, what?
Yeah, she said, like, the max you can do, like, I don't even think she allowed her to do a sleepover. I don't know. Like, yeah,
What's
bruh.
up with your mom?
She's freaking, I don't know, fucking crazy, bro. I don't even fucking know. She's just fucking crazy right now. Like, literally, she, like, came for my dad because, like, we went out to In-N-Out, like, a couple days ago because there was no food in the fridge. And she was like, we have ham from, like, I don't know how many days ago, and it's, like, there's enough for one serving. And my dad's like, okay, but what about the 2 other people, the 3 of us that need to eat? It's like, Karina didn't even bother staying for dinner. She went to Weston's house because they provided dinner. Oh yeah. And so she was like flaming. She was like, no, and there's pasta sauce and like whatever, good enough for 1 serving. Oh, it's too bullshit. She was just trying to go find any sort of way like that we didn't spend money on food.
Wait,
And,
so are
and I
you,
was just like, bro,
Is
you're
it
telling
like-
me this all this money.
is it like money and shit?
Yeah, it's a money thing. But like here's the thing. Like, she's like complaining about us getting in and out. $22 for 3 people, by the way. A whole meal for 3 people. $22. Meanwhile, she literally just got her freaking nails done.
I was literally about to say, like, I
She got
know
her
for
freaking nails
a-
done. She got fucking French tips. Like, I know that shit was like at least over $50. Probably even more than $50. It's probably like 60. Like,
Yeah.
no, yeah. Bro. She literally got her freaking nails done. And I told my dad, like,
Of course she did.
no, yeah, bro. And my dad's like, I know, like, money's tighter, whatever. Like, I'm, like, not gonna go and, like, scrounge for leftovers when there's literally nothing there or whatever. I told him we should bring up the fact that she literally got her freaking nails done just now. And she's talking about, well, no, we don't have money to spare. Like, bro, I kind of want to go to seafood to live. I don't know about you, though, but, like, I kind of want to survive over here. But, like, yeah, it was like, bro, are you serious? But anyways, back to the original story. So, yeah, Karina wasn't allowed to go and throw any sort of like party. She wasn't allowed to go out to eat for her birthday. And if she were to go out to eat to celebrate with friends, she'd have to pay for it all. Yeah. Yeah. Like, my friends would not give her money for her birthday. Oh yeah, they also didn't give her a gift. I know!
Wait, you're actually lying.
I'm so serious, bro. Karina was so freaking mad because she's like, they didn't even give me a fucking gift. And I'm just like, what?
Girl, what?
No, yeah, bro.
Wait,
But, bro, I gave
pause.
her a gift before my parents did. I was like,
Oh my god.
Wait. Whoa. Whoa. Chill. You're lying. You are
it's so bad.
How cute.
right.
Like, their gift was like, my dad like cooking the dinner.
Money cannot be that tight.
No, yeah, bro. And I'm like, okay, so my mom could get her nails done, but she wouldn't even give like maybe like $20 or something. As a birthday gift to my sister. Like, it's her 18th birthday.
Yeah, what? Also, didn't they give you the movie tickets for your 18th
Oh
birthday?
yeah, that's also when we have my money. It's like,
I wonder where all the money's going.
I wonder.
How many
Alcohol?
trips? How many alcohol? How much alcohol? How many trips did you guys go to for your?
No, yeah, bro. We freaking trip like every single year, and I'm just like, although I love like traveling and whatever, I'm just like, bro.
Aren't you guys going to fucking Europe?
Yeah. And my dad got mad at my mom because like he was like, oh, she's spending money on like a year, but we don't even have that to spend. No, yeah.
Yikes!
Yeah, and my mom just like, oh, I literally have to go and work like 4 days a week now because we're barely making ends meet. I'm just like, bro, are you freaking serious right now? Are you freaking serious? Anyways, Yeah, so essentially on Karina's birthday, we have like a little like birthday dinner. Right?
Mm-hmm.
We have a birthday dinner. And
Right.
it's not even like with friends or whatever, it's just with family.
outside.
Okay.
So
Nothing.
we
I
were
saw the
like,
security
the
guard.
food was good.
Yeah, he's just sitting there
like
like looking at all the carbs. I don't
Because
know.
then
Excuse me. I mean, that's what they do, you know?
Yeah, so then
I heard some teacher like yell,
then-
"Get out while you can."
on top of
Wait,
that-
what happened?
guess what my mom does?
Mental health.
She invites her cousin
Excuse me, wow.
out of nowhere, not telling
You
anybody.
kept talking to
She's
me while I was
"Oh,
on
my
the phone
cousin's
trying to
coming
speak
by the way."
Spanish. It's fucking distracting. Like on the phone with my grandma, trying to be like, "Happy birthday! I hope you're having a great
And
day."
he's like,
And you
so
come
I
over here
didn't
like
know how
full
bad
on
it was.
conversation. I'm like,
I didn't know how
The best
bad it
part
was,
is,
like,
without
until,
even
like,
knowing,
when
I
we
came
got
by,
into,
I'm
like,
like,
they
"Yeah, I got a
actually
chicken
were
out of my
talking
sock."
about her name, like, her husband and her 29-month old. You can
she's
see
like talking about how like my
It's
aunts are
Spanish.
scared of like the narcos
And this
and
little
like
kid
in
is
Mexico and
just
shit. And she's
screaming
like, "They're gonna be
his
fine.
freaking
Everybody's
He's
gonna be
literally
fine."
like screaming his
And you're yelling at me, "I have a thorn in my soul."
Screams you ever heard
God.
in your life. Like I think I'm actually
Hard
like
to focus.
worse.
I'm like, I gotta go. I'm sorry. Happy birthday.
And like
So
literally
fucking
like
bad.
having the speaker blare at you for 3 hours. It's just
Okay, what was I
the
doing?
whole freaking time.
I know, her birthday was yesterday and like have it in my calendar and I was here the whole fucking day.
Yeah, we all.
And like my dad gave me a
Like,
text
like
like, "You're-"
harmony.
Like think of like a really high pitched sound. Or,
Right,
like
like
it's
a
like yeah.
kid.
Like you're
Ooh,
literally
what is
gonna
that?
freaking
Your
yeah.
breath?
His screams are like literally
I gotta
sound
start
like a
doing
demon
that.
from hell. Like that's what it felt like. And so I'm just like, uh-oh.
I'll probably
I'm
now
gonna
really
yell
jealous.
for her like, how many hours?
Hmm?
And like,
My
I'm
meal
not
prep
even
is
like the
just,
person
like,
whose birthday it is.
the tuna.
But of course, it's Grandma's birthday, she's
My
like,
boyfriend meal
bro.
preps and I
what
still
the
like
fuck?
I don't know. Let's
So-
see. That's a good move.
I literally have to go put on my
If only
fucking
Gabby
like
could cook.
noise canceling headphones. So like,
No, I'm kidding.
my
She
ears
cooks
are
really
actually
good.
ringing. My
Her mom's
ears
Italian
are
and shit.
ringing.
Like one time they're like, "Oh, you
After that,
name a dessert
like-
and we'll make it." And like half joking, I just like creme brulee. And they're like, "Okay," and they went and like bought a torch to make it.
That's sick.
But anyway,
Oh shit.
so yeah, so
Oh,
oh yeah, and then my mom's just like, oh yeah, Karina, you can like play music or whatever, and Karina's like, okay, I'm gonna play Noah Khan, and then she's like trying to go and play Noah Khan, but the kid's screaming so loud you can't even hear it.
To the grind.
Sure.
Like when I tell you, like her cousin didn't even bother freaking disciplining this kid at all, like or telling him like, bruh, like this is not the time.
Also,
what are you doing?
Please.
Like,
I can't even.
yeah.
I can't.
It's so bad. Yeah, and it's just like, bro, are you fucking serious? And so like this kid like literally he's not like you know, nobody's telling the kid like to go and stop or whatever. Or like telling it's wrong. Oh, yeah.
Emma? Emma. How did I got 21 over 10?
I'm not even there yet, but
I'm bad at that.
for the first part, I like that it diverges.
Oh, I see what you did. Okay, okay,
I'm
okay.
confused.
So when it's, I completely, now that I'm doing it, I remember, when you have a negative, it just turns into 1 over 1 plus whatever. Because it's going to be minus negative 1 over
Oh,
9.
I wrote my A as a negative 2. Okay. I wrote the wrong.
There you go.
Okay.
And
That.
then it should not be an 8.
That. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, because that's 2. Okay. Yeah, I flipped those when I put them in.
Wait, confused. So
That
if
makes
If it
sense.
goes to 2, right, as your R, does that mean the R is greater than 1 and diverges?
No, we're not doing that. This is just
This is-
geometric series.
Yeah, but in geometric series,
So,
it's still
It
diverges.
this.
It's not about the divergence.
It's about the R. If the
Yeah.
R is bigger than 1, it diverges.
I had R equal to 2 on mine, that's why.
Oh, your R shouldn't be equal to 2. Because your R here, see how I have 2 over 4? So
Yeah.
if I like simplified it.
I like split it up and simplified it, so R equal to 2.
Where?
Did you get the 4 had a negative K and the 2 had a negative K?
Oh, yeah, no, you didn't. This was negative and this was negative.
okay.
So they switched places?
Yeah.
That's what I messed up.
Yeah, so then it turns into 1
Okay,
half. Yeah,
that
yeah,
makes
yeah.
sense.
And you start continuing.
Yeah. So, yeah, the kid's just freaking screaming, and literally the cousin and like her husband are just letting it scream. Just letting it. Yeah, I keep saying it,
Letting
but like
it
I don't even feel bad.
No,
I
don't.
honestly don't feel bad because I'm just like that's actually atrocious that you're just letting the kid freaking
No, yeah,
scream
shut
like
the fuck
that.
up.
And like
At my, like, or at her fucking birthday?
No, bro. It was her fucking
Don't
birthday.
even
And my
know.
mom like literally invited the cousin without asking anybody or telling anybody until like she basically like showed up.
That's
Yeah.
atrocious.
Yeah.
I
And
would
so
be-
Demetra,
yeah, so the
on number 5, what is it asking? Do we just write the thing for it, or?
yeah, but so the kids
Like, are we just supposed to write?
Number 5.
Yeah,
Just converge or diverge.
Oh, and then,
I think
okay.
you just use a test, right, to like determine.
Okay, I
6
can't remember
as well.
exactly what we're doing. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, for 6, yeah, you just find the there you go, and then you just see if that you would
I
use.
don't remember if I stopped here or not. I really
No.
wanted to.
I know. You would just do root. Pretty easy. And then you would get. Actually, I'm not gonna spoil it for you. Sorry. I can just see it already. I
Yeah, I
did
mean,
that
it's one and
homework
one.
so many fucking times.
Yeah.
It's the whole rainbow. It's the whole rainbow.
so anyway.
Wait.
Never mind. They're all the
Okay,
same.
so the kids like screaming
Do you have
and
back
also
for-
Oh, there's more?
like
Can we
throwing
still
stuff
back for everything?
everywhere, like going
In my
to
car.
and, like, grab,
Probably
like,
the longest truck of my
steal,
life.
like, the balls from like the
Want some
pool
help
table and
carrying?
whatever, and like we just kept like throwing a bunch of like random shit. I don't even know. But we just, like,
Here, I can finish this one by the time we get there.
Like started like pulling the wire.
I know. I have more. That's why I said
Here.
wait.
Here you go. Here's an angle of that. They're all crazy and they're all gonna die. Yeah. Oh, as he's drinking one.
Is it for sure the 9?
Huh?
For sure the 9.
It shouldn't switch unless it really doesn't work. You only figure out something else.
Stop.
That's fine. I think it's like the opening.
Yeah.
Fucking yeah.
Yeah, the kid was
I
like,
think-
Like
I
this immediate
And so-
people that I like here.
and so
I'm gonna take your guys'
after
schedules
the
into
dinner
account.
is over,
Because most people,
that's
I
when
didn't
my
want to do it like
parents,
Saturday because we have
like,
Mother's Day on
okay,
Sunday.
we need to go and
Yeah, no. Most
Is it
people
that
on Friday
Sunday?
night.
Yeah, that's the
or
second
whatever,
Sunday.
whatever.
Okay,
Yeah, that's why I was
need to
like
get
thinking
something.
the 9th because
They
Friday
do-
night
they
where you
decided
wake
to
up
go and get,
hungover
like, this
Saturday.
old,
I feel like it's more
like,
meaningful than
house
hungover
house.
Mother's Day.
And
Yeah.
it's like so freaking loud here.
Smart. Appreciate that.
From the
Ken,
bounce
are you
house.
through the 9th?
And
I don't even know what the fuck's
You have to just
happening.
promise
He never
not
checks
to,
the
like,
Discord, so.
break into things.
No.
You're not promising that?
I mean,
I think you made me feel
am
like you
not
won't.
working.
Dude, I would be so.
You're gonna walk and go down the block and stuff now, and then we're gonna walk that away.
house in the middle of a fucking house. And it's like, and of course the kid is now not only screaming, but he's jumping and screaming all around the bounce house and running. To
Yeah,
Bye-bye. Wanna carry it in here?
Evan jumping and screaming.
She doesn't want to be in the group chat, so you're gonna be in a group chat and you're gonna have to tell me any information.
Talk to every single person. I'll figure it out.
You'll figure it out.
Put 2 and 2 together. Context.
Are you
Do you
sure?
want your cute bag of candy?
It's like, what?
Are you sure?
You can put me in it. I'll leave it.
I thought we were having
Everyone gets annoying.
Yeah.
I'll leave it if everyone gets annoying.
I'm not gonna lie. The amount of times I've almost left that Discord.
So
I have it muted for a
like,
reason.
they have,
But then I like
little
people
kids
like will go do things. They'll be sad. I'm like not left out, but then I don't go because I don't know they're happening.
I mean it too. Tell people to just start like
But,
adding.
picking up the tire.
Just say add everybody if you're doing a
And
plan.
Karina's just like,
I mean, I guess I just don't want to add everybody because I thought that'd be annoying to add 60 people.
It's less annoying than
Yeah.
keeping your noties on all the time. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, no, my notifications
I don't know
are
how
off
to
for
do
Discord
it.
as a whole.
And
And
Bye,
then
guys.
people
I don't
Bye.
have that inside the. Yeah.
Yeah, I know nobody.
I check my like direct messages and then I'll check the
What
actual
is that?
email.
You want it?
Right.
Like
like
a
Mega.
normal
Yeah, I want that shit.
Sorry, I'm a good priority.
I don't know if I'm strong enough to eat it right now. I'm just gonna eat it later inside. I want some.
What?
I think
How are you literally?
It's too much class
I'm like,
summer.
I've been staying wearing sweatpants, here, like gross and sweaty.
How to history,
Oh yeah, no, I'm dying.
ethnic study.
Right.
Which action study?
Please.
Dude, I might even like bring a fan to put it
Like
over.
that is like freaking ridiculous.
I hate blue
And yeah,
raspberry.
so it's basically like that. And like, as we're leaving or whatever, then they're like trying to pick up the kid and he's like running away and screaming some more. And as like dad
And they
picks him
just
up, he's just like,
eat film.
Same. That's what me and Cass and Drew are taking. Which one are you in?
improved.
63.
Are you doing tabular for it?
Fucking big.
Yeah.
But, you know,
Oh, it's not with the one we're in. I don't think.
Did
We're with
I
Kevin
did.
Easley.
You just did the VDU?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I might do
Make-
that.
I don't know. All it really needed.
Daniel?
Tabular confuses me, I'm gonna be honest.
Right,
Oh, no,
I
that's not the
know.
one we're in.
Unfortunately.
We should have joined the one we were in.
Oh. Yeah, I might be wrong.
It's the online class.
I know. It's so fun though.
What class are you taking next term?
Well, yeah. Oh.
I actually don't know, but I'm going to Sac State. Yeah. And
Oh no, that's like it.
I'm taking
No,
summer
that's
class
so
though. And
I would be.
How many more problems
I feel
can
so
I
bad
fit in this
for-
little space?
I feel
I'm like
bad for-
noticing it more and more as I'm going.
No. I mean, she's not already like accepted that she's.
I also have
like,
communication.
like
so
she literally has like the middle child role now. She is now forgotten child.
Right. That's so sad.
At my
Not
class.
that- Not that my parents paid for anything for me.
Is that,
either,
like, too
but,
much?
you know.
Yeah,
Yes.
but she
But
was
it's all, like,
definitely way
G's.
better.
Do you know Fred?
She definitely was better than you, like better off
So my
than you
friend-
were.
He has like 27 units right
And then
now.
now all of a sudden it's like
27?
He's in my 205 class and he's in Calc 2 right now.
27?
And he has like all A's almost and like a couple B's. Man, just time management.
like
He's
what?
a god.
There's no time in the world where I can take 27 credits and pass Calc 2 and
Yeah,
finish
he had to like have an
205.
interview with like the dean and stuff of like the whole school to get it all like. But no. Why do they always? I could have done it wrong. Don't trust me, but I think I did it right. Chen, did I do rewrite?
oh, I see what you did wrong. BDU is x over x. I thought I was going crazy. Okay.
Wait. What did I do?
It should be x over x, dx, which is just 1.
Oh yeah.
And then that would be x ln 2x minus x plus c.
Oh, it's just that.
Okay, I was like, did I do something wrong? Okay, there we go.
Okay. Sweet. Yeah, it's like don't just assume I'm right.
I definitely was. It's okay. That wouldn't have gotten you a lot of cool stuff.
Because I'm going fast right now because I just want to try to get through them, which means I'm not doing them
Right.
attentively.
Oh fuck.
So-
Creative power series implementation.
It's the same as just natural log games, which is, I think it's the same as that, yeah.
Today's Dave's birthday.
Oh,
So
nice.
yeah, I'm gonna go to my grandma's house to celebrate.
Oh, sweet.
But I was so happy because I really wanted to do study. And I was like, I called my mom and I was like, are we doing anything? Because I
Don't mind me. I'm just gonna put this
yeah,
here.
of course I would rather go.
I like this angle.
You're gonna
And then
spy on
she was
everyone.
like, oh, it's
Yeah, it's a very nice angle.
She felt the way.
You can be in the way.
Oh, just kidding. Yes, go.
It's gonna be hell big.
But I mean, that's like for
You wanna
like,
start a podcast with us?
an hour.
What time?
Well, you're gonna podcast the room?
Oh god.
Yeah, I want to make a podcast with us?
Please start a podcast where you just grab a microphone and start talking to a wall. Like all those dudes. You ever seen those? They'll put them on TikTok. Dude, they're just like, there's no one else there, but they'll act like they're talking to
I
somebody.
mean, you could do that. I think that'd be right up your alley, actually.
You're gonna do what Cassidy is? Like,
No,
just
Cassidy,
gonna put a
Cassidy and
camera?
Victoria started your own podcast.
Oh. I thought you guys were gonna just fucking put a camera right here and like, no.
You took the camera down when you were actually studying.
Camera's up there.
Oh. Yeah, just get like a POV footage of everyone's lap camera as everyone studies and smash cut.
It'd be funny to make like a off the office style like
Every
professionals
time
of like people who
Candy
just like
texted me this morning.
hands to someone just like
What?
doing
She
like
was like,
professional
she
stuff.
was like, I miss you.
Total drama items.
Is
that right?
Yes.
I was
I
like,
have
girl,
no
I'm so
idea.
busy.
Usually I write the
have
steps in
plans.
between, but I really don't feel
We
like
just
doing it.
Chen is just going to die.
Right now, she just tagged me in her post. I'm like,
The amount of times
fuck.
people would hear Chen is going to die would be crazy. Like every day.
Yeah, Chen's gonna get shot.
Oh wait, not the.
Nope.
Oh, there goes Chen.
Yeah, not the one she was literally crying over as she's like, oh,
Oh,
by
is
the
it-
way, I'm
is it
dating
over?
someone new.
Is what?
Danny's review.
Right.
Which year we don't know.
She
It was so
literally telling
cool,
us she
so we're just
doesn't
doing it on the
this
board.
guy. She likes the other guy.
I might be doing it
I
all wrong,
know,
but
it's
I don't
like
know.
she-
That's the first problem
No,
with
no, no,
practice
no,
exam.
Chen Jen will let me know if I'm an idiot. Jen?
Yeah.
I know it's a cute picture, but I'm like,
Yeah.
I want to.
Yeah, I am.
White girl
No,
colors.
I'm looking.
Is it a bug bite?
No,
Uh,
I woke up with it this morning.
Have you tried putting a hypercolloid patch on it?
Hydrocolloid?
a spider bite. No,
So
you got a spider
It
bite?
doesn't, like, it's too.
Did you know the average person
It feels
eats
like- it
8
feels like
spiders in their
somebody-
sleep every night?
Feels like somebody, like, circled my skin and put, like, a band around it. So
Stop it, no. Well, oh, those are like.
No, I think it's genuinely a stretch mark about to happen.
You think?
Where?
I've never seen one form before. I have no idea.
Ew?
There.
Ew?
I guess.
It's a bump. It could be a.
It's a
it could-
third nipple.
Yeah, exactly.
Put that
It could
thing
be.
away.
It could be.
I just don't like the bump.
It could be a stretch mark.
I
It could be
guarantee
a
it's a
spider
bug bite.
bite. It could be.
It totally looks like a bug bite.
Oh, it's a bug bite, Jen. Diagnosed.
Yeah, ew.
Yeah, ew.
She didn't even apologize.
I think
And then
so.
Giselle didn't invite her to her
What's
birthday thing, so
number
I thought
four,
she
dude?
would get to
Huh?
How do you
But also, we didn't really post.
make the summation?
That makes sense.
Like, I don't understand.
I don't fucking know. So I'm trying to think. We're given that. I think we're told to find the summation. I don't really know.
But they're doing these right now. You're doing the review right now?
Yeah, create a
They
power
are,
series
yeah. I just did a
representation.
couple problems and now I'm going back to doing the homework.
And
So
I'll go to the bathroom and just text Antonia and tell her that I'll be that I'm in
how do
here.
I do it? Because 1 over 1
it's the same one that he did
x
No, like, I
is
can
like
do it.
the
No, here.
thing, and then that's the x. So I just plugged it into the x. 'Cause usually it's there, and then I have the x to a third on the side, and then I
Do that.
Yeah.
But it's on the bottom. Oh, that became power series.
because
yeah.
usually it's 1 over 1.
Yeah.
minus
Oh, I
x.
see.
So yeah, I just
Okay. Yeah. That makes sense.
just pull out the 1 and stuff.
But X has to do. No, it doesn't have to do.
Because then I post again.
Yeah.
The only thing I was confused on with the power series is sometimes he's like, you have to take a derivative and the integrals, and then I just
yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't
Problem though.
like. Obviously, I can do it, but I just don't know if I'm doing it right. Because then when he has like the
Like, they
he has
only
like
2 days.
come on fx, and he'll have like tan inverse of x, and he's like, make the power series. Then you go and you have to like take the derivative to make it like
I think this is
all that.
I'm Karina and go for you.
It's not alternating, no.
Wait, what?
It has a negative
Karina,
there.
go
But
for you.
it's like
Oh, wait,
negative
oh,
side,
yeah.
which is like it's not
Yeah, and then she
alternating.
could
It's
just do
just
everything.
negative.
Yeah, but she'd like be like.
I thought it was the negative you pulled out.
I could.
Is it alternating?
Care? I don't know.
I think so.
Unless
'Cause
they
it has
want-
the
unless
negative,
they're
and then
gonna
it has the
take your
power of k, so it's going to be positive times negative other times.
Oh, then you have to put it out.
It's just me.
Huh?
Yeah. I mean,
Actually,
pull it out
really
like.
funny.
Only problem is I would need your
I forgot
ID.
to until I got to here. I'm like, wait, shit.
But yeah,
I think all that matters is that you have the right answer in
gotta,
the
like,
end with like steps
to
that
be
you
able
can
to be
follow.
like,
or
here's
something.
my
Get
ID.
away with that.
Let me see your ID.
Oh.
Okay, yeah.
I'm like, let me see. Oh, you ended up being able to get the papers that.
Oh no, yeah, it's only because like one of my friends ended
Yeah,
up getting it
thanks,
for me.
I fit 3 problems into that area. You might be able to.
Oh, this was just when I was really young. Wait, look. Yeah, I feel like it could work. I feel like we could pull it off.
What's
You
the
could.
club? What
Can I
club?
take this out?
Yeah,
Strong?
it's
Done.
kind of hard to get out.
Nice.
Maybe look.
When's the club done?
Starts at 3:30. Okay.
No, yeah, that's the second part is in there. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
You got it?
I found another card out.
Oh yeah, that's like the logo for it or something.
Here, I'll show
4 or
you.
6?
Wait, Timmy Joe.
What is 7?
Could this pass off this week?
They don't look close enough? Yeah.
What?
Wait, what are you guys talking about?
This was when I was 16. Does it still look like me?
I mean, a little bit. Like, you can tell it's you, but it's not like you can tell it's old. Why?
It's hers.
Okay. I was like, it doesn't really look like you, but okay.
Oh, and so it doesn't look like me.
It, like a little
Like
bit.
if I were to tell you this is my ID, you would believe it.
Like the noses are different. That's the only thing that kind of threw me off. But I'm like, maybe makeup. Maybe you're just
well,
really
girl, I
fucking
don't-
good at makeup. And like those have a way of just flattening your features.
Because if it's like a card you, then I feel like if it's busy, they're probably aren't gonna look that close.
I'm blind, I can't see.
Honestly, you
Look like her.
I mean, like, if she was like, "This is my ID from when I was 16," I'd be like,
Okay.
"But you can't you tell on it when it was issued? Yeah, you can tell it was issued on 2024."
It was?
No, yeah, I renewed it, but it
But the
still,
picture
that's,
is
yeah,
that's
the
a
picture can be
picture
old.
from like when my permit, like on my
Oh,
permit when I was like 15.
She was 15, yeah.
Yeah,
I
I
was
don't renew
15 when I
old
did
ones.
that.
I was
You know what
gonna
you
say, I
can
wish
say?
like
You
a
know what you
motorcycle
can tell
license.
my face.
Yeah, I could
But
also
you-
do like.
But like, you would be running the risk of
And
getting your
also,
ID
it's
cut
like-
out. So like,
No matter what,
it's
before 21,
$35
after
to get it
21,
redone.
You have to do the
I'll
permit
put
test.
Yeah.
Easiest thing ever.
No,
dude.
I-
Just watch
I-
a
I
couple
realize-
YouTube
I'm
videos,
about
you go
to
past it.
go
I
to
just-
see her for you.
It's $35 to get it, but I just don't.
$500.
Why do you need an
And you
ID?
still won't get your
she
license
just has,
until
she
you
has
do
a
the permit
phlebotomy
test.
thing
A
when
permit
her,
test will allow you to ride.
when her orientation
The
is, so
motorcycle
like I
safety
could
course will
totally just
not.
go for you.
Once you get your
And they're not
permit,
gonna be like,
and then you do
oh,
the
inspecting
MSF.
it like
No, they're
wait
not. They're
until
gonna take
you're
brown
21 to
hair,
do the
brown skin,
MSF.
go.
If you're 21, you do the
Are you
MSF.
judging?
They hand you
Huh?
your license right then.
for which one?
No,
If you
yeah.
do it before
No,
you're
like,
21,
so, like,
you do the
like,
MSF
your
course, and they go,
like,
great. Now go do the
That's
skills.
the
test.
factorial.
So,
Yeah, you could
And then they
just
do
say
like
that you
fucking
could just.
fun
I could
like
just
that.
say,
You
well,
get
I
your
could just say, yeah.
So I just ran the permit.
And then we take the
I'm
lumber
a
and
job
I feel like doing all
You'll
that.
probably get the license,
More Ks on
and
You
now
got it
you get
recording?
license in the next
That's
2
what-
months and turn
if we
21
already
and then do it.
You know the limit.
Yeah.
Because that'll be.
My
Yeah.
review started like 15 minutes ago.
Okay,
So I'm
go.
gonna go to that or
There you go.
not.
Okay.
I got a pack of
You was so
pills.
low.
Girl, when you're 21, I'm stealing it.
It's gonna be bigger than one.
Yeah.
Where's Cass go?
She went
Been
home.
at work.
It's only not defined when.
What about one
When it's
logo?
I might.
It diverges if it's more than one, converges if it's less.
You're like, it's your birthday. I'm like, oh, I got it now.
I'm so fucking jealous. Like, that's an assignment.
Yeah,
I'm getting great
You're
on
like,
What do you
you're like,
mean you
oh,
can't
yeah?
do homework while everyone's screaming?
I can't.
I know
do
most will work past there, but it's
do
like
You're like, wait, where do
those
you
are the
live?
same degree.
I couldn't even read a
Pocket,
comic
ignore the
book.
one, feel the back, and then there's more Ks.
It's hard. It's like
I actually-
everybody's communicative too.
I know how far I can
Well, I
speak
could like
language.
shut up.
See,
I'm
we
just like
just
I'm
know,
so
yeah.
not
I just know the
interested
truth, but like I remember
in
it's like
reading
your
that.
thing like
World
visual
TV, yeah,
stuff.
distracted.
I would cry.
Sean,
I
think I'd actually just start crying.
Well, it's like doing math.
It's
okay, let me
Like,
eat my
some
burrito.
math.
Where the fuck did you get that?
She
Cass.
wants you to go?
Well, yeah.
You lucky bitch.
Yeah.
Colin doesn't get that privilege. I finish all my food always.
I get it. For leftovers.
It's very rare I don't finish my food.
I'm so happy when I get leftovers too, because it's like
Why would you want to do that?
I
You
know.
guys all get that.
No, with my exes, I'd eat their leftovers. They eat more than all my boyfriends. Now with Colin, he eats more than me, but I still eat a fuck ton.
we went out to all you can eat sushi, and I fucking
Yeah.
I ate
This
so
is what I was
much.
doing.
I've gone to all you can eat sushi and it's
Oh,
so good. Cause I'll eat like I eat so much. Colin eats more. It's insane how much sushi we can put away.
So I
I
put
wonder
down.
why you guys eat. Because you burn 5 million calories
You're
a
gonna be
day
here
going
for
to
a
the
hot
gym
minute.
for 2.5
Emma,
hours.
You're gonna be here for a hot minute, right?
Probably.
Yeah. I'm gonna go to the review. I'll be there till like 5.
Okay. If I have any questions, can I text you my questions and yes, Megan? Cool. If I get stuck on something, I'll probably just ask you.
I'm going to Jamie's review. Bye.
The cappuccino.
Are you going to
Huh?
Cappuccino
Yeah.
for the review.
Yeah.
That's so funny. I'm not leaving.
I want smaller. Come on, don't be a bitch.
But I'm we like, went out to sushi. Ordered like 5 rolls to start with. We got the first 3, and then I ordered 4 more. And then as the second ones came, and I ate those, I ordered more. I ate so much sushi. It was so worth it.
I had your money for it.
You sure it's 8 plus 1?
Huh?
Oh,
What are we talking about?
no, wait. What the fuck? Is that 16 or 6?
16 probably. What, oh, this? Yeah, no, that's 16.
Really?
Maybe? Maybe it is 6. I don't fucking remember. What is it?
But if it's 16, then it's not K
It is
plus 1.
16. What the fuck?
If it's 16, then it's not K plus 1.
You're right. I think I saw it and just was thinking 6. Wait, what did I do here? Fuck.
God.
You're right. I wasn't reading it fully. What's that? 16. You know what that is? 16. I just kind of read it the way I wanted it to be.
What the fuck?
That's. Okay. So, like, I know the top is going to be K. I know it's all going to be K squared. So it's just going to be finding the bottom.
For sure it's 16. If it's 6, then it's just... Yeah. If it's 6, then it's K plus 2. Your K
Well-
start was 1.
I mean, this is the top squared, that is the top squared, this isn't. So it's something to do with negatives and positives.
It's 3, 4, 5, 6. 1/3. 2/4. That's a 5, right?
Are you okay looking?
Real.
Yeah, I'm usually in that boat.
Hope cord.
Oh, also it's alternating.
Stay safe.
Yeah, I know.
No, oh, I see it. Oh, shit. Oh,
I know it's gonna be something shitty. Don't spoil it for me. I need to get this.
I'm like, oh shit. I just see it's alternating. Oh shit. You know?
Because I know there's gonna be a -1 to the K. So it's alternating, right? Wait, K plus 1?
The what?
Milk patch.
Well, I'm just looking because he has his flask hanging out his ass, so.
No, that's why I laugh so hard, because he walks on the bowling alley and it's so tall that it extends like more than a regular flask does, but out of his pocket. It's like, what is he's strolling right on in.
Real trend moments.
These are not bigger than regular peanut butter M&Ms.
They're not.
These are regular as hell. That's
So fucking
shrinkflation
low.
right there.
Gaslighting me.
False marketing.
Maybe it's just bigger pack.
Nope. Oh, I'm careful right there.
What's that? CI.
Hmm?
CI.
CT.
Comparison.
Because this is one of the max sign when it goes to infinity. It can either be like -1 or +1. So it has to be bigger than that. Or bigger or equal.
Yeah.
Yo.
And that diverges. Right?
Because K1 has
Does it look like
divergence.
she just came out of a Mormon church?
K to the
Yeah, perfect.
whatever,
So, yeah,
smaller
exactly
than
the
one.
look we're going for.
Yes, I'm literally Mormon.
You're a Mormon girl. My favorite lesbian
Is
Mormon
it divergence?
girl.
Bro, the Mormons are
No.
told me to go to
K
hell.
to the
They
one
told
half.
me
The Mormons
to-
wouldn't even look you. The Mormons would spit in your face.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah,
no,
they
divergence.
They would
actually
just
would.
drag
And
you.
it's smaller, one or
They
smaller
would,
divergence.
They
Call me some or all.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
every
Jen.
single slur against like gay people and lesbians
Watch
I could
yourself.
possibly think of.
Yeah. Oh, and they got the Filipino on you as well.
Oh yeah.
Um,
Yeah, I know when he's like white and dirty.
And Mormon.
And Mormon, yeah, and Mormon
Okay.
too.
I'm gonna head out
Alright,
before
well,
Prince says.
Right.
I'm done
Good
trying.
luck.
I'm
Sorry,
tired.
pictures.
Oh, yeah, I'll send you
I'm thinking
pictures.
breaking up into 2 series.
Alright, I'll see
Bringing
you.
what?
Bye.
Breaking it into 2 series.
2?
Yeah,
I don't think so.
because one is positive, one is negative. And the positive one actually follows the pattern, and
Yeah.
the negative one actually also follows another pattern for the denominator.
I mean, yeah, it does. But
Oh, I don't remember this.
Yeah.
99?
Huh?
What? I had to think about that. I was like,
Math. The M&M's helping.
yeah, no, these are fucking bomb. Where are the paper towels?
There were, and then there were.
Yes.
Evan's stealing them.
You're back?
hey, you can't have
Oh.
those.
Wait, dude, when you said
Yeah,
that, I'm
go
like, you
fucking
sounded
what?
just like Victoria. That scared the shit out of me.
Wait, you're back?
I was so confused why you're saying wait your back to me wanting paper towels.
You sounded just like Victoria.
Did I?
Yeah, just when you said that. Whoa.
I ain't believe you.
You should go home.
You should go home.
You should go home.
Oh,
He should go home.
Or
Bye,
hear me out.
guys. I'll go home.
Hear me out. Pull a Chen and just take a nap on the table. over there.
Oh, bro, I'm thinking about going to the 3rd floor of the library and just nap.
Just do that.
Yeah, do it.
Do it.
You can walk me to my car, and then go take a nap in the library.
He just wants to leave.
Somebody's.
You want someone to leave with him. Jen,
What?
do you have any energy drink?
No.
Fuck. No fucking way.
No
No
way.
fucking way.
He's lying.
Oh, he's probably
Someone
not-
grab his bag.
He's
Quick.
gatekeeping.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. You could just say I'm not gonna give you any. You don't have to lie.
Did I leave my pen over there? Can you chuck the black one over here?
Oh, that.
I got you. Ready?
Ah.
No. Just throw it. I'm
Thank
not
you,
gonna-
Evan.
Oh, fuck. I'm good at this shit.
Fire.
Is that recording?
Yeah, of
Oh,
course.
okay.
No.
Thank God I'm not in it.
Yeah, I know consent.
We were in it.
I don't actually care.
That's okay, neither do I.
Oh, fuck. Radiance of Convergence.
Where radiant
Times
is.
6.
Bro, stop thinking about math.
Physics is my easiest class right now.
That's awesome.
Awesome.
I mean, it's chemistry, but the workload so much. It is physics instead.
Physics will probably be my easiest class in the summer.
That's a break, is it? You didn't move your car, right?
Okay, yeah.
I'm running out of room.
This gives us a dictionary. Yay.
Is there any energy drinks that's really close by that I don't have to drive to?
The vending machine?
You want like individual energy drinks?
I just want one. I just want an energy
Just go to
drink.
cafeteria.
Are they open?
Yeah.
The vending machines are.
Yeah. They're open till 7 or 8. Usually.
What is it?
Or the,
No, I'm too lazy. I'll
The
just
Q building too.
I'll just thug
she
it
really
out.
has Red Bull.
It's fine. I'll just thug
I
it
have
out.
Coke.
He has cocaine.
You have cocaine?
Probably. Knowing
Yes.
men.
Yes.
I have Coke.
It's fine.
Where did I start?
I wish.
Huh? Wait.
Do I have to use alternating series test for that? Wait. No. With this, I can just say the negatives cancel, right? Because I have a -4 and a -1, so I don't have to use alternating series test because they're both negatives. Okay. Just wanted to make sure it wasn't fucking.
Wait, if
being
I have
stupid.
N to
This one I have to use.
And to the what?
or N to the N over N factorial would diverge because it's bigger.
N to the n is bigger than n factorial.
I'm actually gonna shoot myself in the head. So if I had just this, and it was like figure out if it diverges or converges, I would just say diverges by dt. Because the limit,
But I don't think you can prove.
as k approaches infinity of k to the k over.
I think you have to use ratio test.
Or would I do ratio? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But growth rates.
I don't think that's real.
Which one are you looking at?
You don't think
Whoa.
growth rates are real?
I don't think you can use.
Why do you have so much shit laid out?
Oh, I was
Wait,
just
what is this
practicing
for?
I was just practicing.
Oh, growth rates?
Can you use
Yeah.
growth
Wait,
rate for
fuck,
that
I need to
shit?
look at those. I don't know any of my growth rates.
It's just like bigger on bottom is 0.
So n is just any number? Or if they're like all the same?
Like as n approaches infinity.
The fuck?
Wait.
If it's bigger on the bottom, it's 0. If it's bigger on the top, it's undefined or infinity.
Yeah, because I don't know any of my growth
And then
rates.
it's
No. Oh, sorry.
I know those. I kind of need them because that's
As
how.
I'm going, I'm writing smaller and smaller because I'm running out of
I
room.
know. I have to.
Like n powers.
Uh-huh.
And there's like a linear.
Oh, so it's like barely bigger than factorial.
Yeah. There's like.
Right. Oh. Okay, what about factorial?
Factorial. Oh, that's weird.
Can you say something diverges by the alternating series test?
Yeah, right? Wait.
Oh no.
No?
That would just be.
Wait, you used to be. Oh yeah, like dt.
By dt?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it doesn't equal 0.
That's what I thought, and I'm like, it doesn't equal 0. So I
Yeah.
know it diverges, but I can't remember if I write dt or
I don't know if he
AST.
said I'm working down if you do
So, like-
like that, but
He
just
would.
to make yeah,
He
just to
would.
make sure.
He would. 100%.
Because you use alternating series test, and it's like,
He might take off 5 points for that.
5.
Mike's crazy. He took up, okay, because I don't know if you guys know this, but this is my second time taking Calc 2. Last semester, I put this. It was supposed to be that, but I put this.
hmm
Minus 2 points.
Yeah, that makes sense. You missed a whole step to the process.
It was just that.
Like you did the math right, you just didn't write it right.
I
Yeah.
did everything right. I just.
You just wrote it right. Wrong, right.
But like, I even did my thing. I said that it converges still, but minus 2, not even minus a half.
So
Yeah.
like, n to the n, like if there's like 3 of them, it's like 3 times 3 times 3, and n factor is just 3 times 2 times 4.
Oh, no, okay.
It's like a square and a triangle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No, I know that. I don't know why it's supposed to be tripping me out.
Yay. I'm so full.
Huh?
I'm so full.
You're full.
Yeah. Yeah, Chick-fil-A.
Oh, nice. So then, this
I'm
doesn't
so
matter.
tired.
because
I feel great.
I don't.
You should join.
Join what? Feeling great? I wish I could.
Smoking weed.
Yeah. I fucking wish right now.
Yeah.
That sounds nice.
Yeah, it was nice.
Oh fuck, wait. How do you do 10? Ooh.
Oh, fuck.
Chen, I require your
We have to get our
wisdom.
data, don't we, Chen?
What?
We have to get our data for lab.
What?
Our lab is due this Saturday. We have to get our data for it.
Okay, yeah.
When do you guys want to do that?
Whenever. Tomorrow works.
Okay.
How the fuck?
The sun. The sun. Oh,
Oh, is this...
natural log.
I think I have to use a Taylor series for that.
Ew. I don't remember that shit.
I mean, I think
No,
you have to.
I think it's a telescope.
Oh, I don't know how to do those. Fuck. Yeah, I was saying I need to learn how to do that shit.
Yeah, me too.
Oh my
Did you even go
God.
through telescope in class?
I don't remember it at all.
Yeah,
I
same.
feel like everyone talking kind of skips things, then it's just like, you're fucked.
Did you go through telescoping in class for you guys?
I always.
Yeah, that's a telescope.
Did you go through
Fucking
telescope
Charles
in
Albright did
class?
that to us.
No.
Okay, say.
Telescope, like that shit.
What even is it?
Apparently this, he put it on one of the last things too. I think it says like a +2 on the top and a +1 on the bottom. Let me go use the bathroom and try not to kill myself.
Don't die.
I might. Can't stop me.
Wait, what? How did she get 3 fourths? Wait, how did she do that? No, because look, ln of k is basically 1/2.
L and O K.
What did I do wrong? Yeah, and then k squared would be k for when it's a power minus like over a power, is it the top power minus the bottom power? Like if it's this,
Yeah.
is it gonna be 1/2 minus 4 halves? Jen,
What?
for this, is it gonna be? Sorry.
I'm not tired, I'm alright.
Okay. For the power, is it gonna be 1/2 minus 4 halves?
Yeah.
Which is 3 halves.
Yeah.
So would it be 1/k to the 3 halves? Oh, negative 3 halves.
Negative.
So would it be 1/k to the negative, or would it just be 1 over?
I think just.
Because if it equals k to the negative 3 halves, then that's just 1/k to the 3
No, it's
halves.
just K cubed.
No, because it's 1 minus 4. Or is it 4?
Oh, it's negative. Yeah, so it's
So it's
on
1
the
over.
bottom. Yeah, so it's
Yeah,
like
yeah,
K
yeah,
cubed.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she did it wrong. No.
So it's 1/K cubed at 3.
Okay, I'll tell her when she comes back. Thank you. Okay, so but it still basically gives you the same thing. Oh no, that
It converges. because-
converges. Sorry.
Because
Oh my
it's
God,
greater than
stop.
1,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. I know. Yeah, so it's basically the same thing, but she just put 5/4 for some reason.
Oh, you mean the fifth one?
Yeah.
What do you do with all these video?
What do you mean? Video and TikTok and YouTube.
What? Like you can't even like watch all of them.
Well, yeah, they just.
Wait,
edited
why
it
did she use LCT?
and posted it.
Which one?
Is there a reason for using
You
LCT?
can use anything you want. That's the thing. As long as you can.
Can't I
figure it
just
out.
use CT? 'Cause
Yeah,
isn't-
CT and
wasn't this
LCT.
smaller than this?
You- whatever. He said there's not gonna be CT on the exam. Do you mean CT and LCT or just CT? What do you think?
I mean, he could just choose whatever she wants.
Right?
Because she could choose because she uses limit comparison test, so
Oh yeah.
she doesn't even.
use
It doesn't really matter
But
what
doesn't
which one she
this-
choose.
Doesn't this work too?
Yeah.
And it's easier.
And it's
See,
faster.
this is what I say. I like CT. Like you can
I
just like
fucking love-
yes, like it's just like
I used to hate. I did hate it last semester because I never studied, so I didn't understand it at all. But now that I'm studying, I'm like, miss me with that bullshit having to fucking
like
go
integral,
multiply.
like integral tests. DT and CT are my favorites. They're so
Yes.
simple. I can just
Me too. Because the integrals, he's not gonna give us a fucking
Yeah.
bipartite.
It's gonna be
PFT.
U subs or
It's gonna be a
something.
U sub. Please. Please. Like, it's so easy. My only problem is seeing them.
that's true.
And
Sometimes
every time I'm like,
there's like so many options, you know.
True. Well, yeah, that's why I just write them all down and I'm like, oh, it's only CT or else.
Wait, I think she's wrong. I think limit comparison test it only works on when your limit equals to 0, right? Or a constant.
What do you mean?
Limit comparison test
It only works when what?
when it's constant when you take the limit. Yeah,
So?
it's not. Yeah, it's not a
Oh,
constant.
yeah. Oh, no, but 3/4 is bigger than 1/2. So it does go to 0. Wait, how? Explain.
No, it goes to 0 doesn't mean it converges.
Yeah, it does.
For a limit comparison test.
For limit comparison, if it equals infinity, then that means it doesn't converge. And if it equals 0, that means it doesn't diverge. Therefore, if you get 0, it converges. Right? Is that not what we just read? I swear. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
But then you have to compare it to the original.
No.
No.
You just here. Oh. Cause yeah, I just for LCT, if it equals 0, that means it converges. If it equals infinity, that means it doesn't. It's literally it. Like that's all that it means. From what I remember. Don't quote me on that.
Do you want my gushers? I hate gushers. I hate them so much.
Really?
Yeah. Bang my system.
Okay. If no one takes them, I'll take them. Oh. Oh yeah. See? It's just if it doesn't equal infinity, then it converges by LCT. If it does equal infinity, then it diverges by LCT. See? If
Yeah, it
B
has
sub
to
k,
equal to constant. But when
if
it
B sub k converges and L doesn't equal infinity, then this converges. If B sub k diverges and L does not equal 0, then it diverges. That converges. This goes to 0, which is not infinity, therefore it converges.
okay.
Yeah. She's right.
Do you think he's gonna have something like absolute convergence?
He changed it. It's 6, not 16 after the 4.
Yeah.
You think he's gonna have like absolute convergence on the exam?
As he should.
Sorry.
So
I
mad.
think he's gonna have like absolute convergence.
What does that mean?
When it's alternating, it converges either it's alternating or not alternating.
He's not doing alternating, so no.
Okay.
I'm just gonna guess. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah, she just went. Why did you pick 5/4? Just like a. Did you just want it?
What?
Were you just like, oh, funsies?
For what?
For number 5? Did you just do that for funsies?
I wanted to converge, so I picked slightly
Well-
above, so converge.
Why not 2?
Why not?
I mean, yeah, it could
Why
have been
not?
K
Why not
squared.
3/2?
So can we just pick any number? Is that what I'm hearing?
Yeah.
Well, because, so my
As long
train of
as-
thought was I wanted the BK to converge, and I still wanted K underneath to be bigger than 1/2.
Mm-hmm.
So that way I knew that would converge as well, because I wanted K to 1/2 is bigger than L. and
Okay,
K.
so you
I
just were like, so you
I
kind
needed
of
it-
just picked anything, sort of.
Yeah, I needed it between K to 1/2, or I needed it bigger than K to 1/2, but not so big that it would just cancel out the bottom term completely.
Yeah. Okay, got it.
So that's just the number I decided on.
Okay, because I just did K to the 1/2 minus K squared, which got me K to the negative 3/4.
I mean, did you get the same conclusion that it converged?
Yeah, I just used
Then, yeah.
I just used CT though, comparison test.
Yeah, totally. That's just.
Oh, you could have done that too though.
Yeah, probably. I just wanted to be sure.
But is LCT just better for you?
I like CT, but that just had the L and K on top and the K on the squared on the bottom. Like, on a test, I might just brain fart. So I'd rather just
True.
put it all out and have
Very true.
something I can follow for everything. Yeah.
Huh.
Oh, so you ended up with Ln over K3/4. Okay, yeah. I see what you did.
I see. No, it's easier. A lot.
Oh wait, which one did he change? You said?
This, it's a 6, not a 16. Which now it's just what? K over K
Which one did you
plus
change?
2
Sorry.
K squared.
Number 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, he made that a 6, not a 16. And it makes the problem actually solvable.
Emma, could you plug this in?
No.
No, immediately reaches for it.
Well, yeah.
What?
I'm not a bitch.
No.
I'm just like acting like one.
Wait, is that? Oh,
Doesn't make me a bitch. if I'm
can
a
you
bitch.
throw mine now?
I'm sorry.
No, I caught up.
I aimed a little
Something
too
caught up.
exact.
You just. Let's be honest. Be
That
honest.
sounds
You
so
wanted.
cool.
Yeah, I was aiming when I was looking.
I need to get a haircut.
Get a buzz cut.
Yeah.
Get a bowl cut.
Doing it for too long, or else it like.
Huh?
I've been told I have a surfer's haircut.
I don't think it's quite long enough for surfers. It's like finance, bro.
Wow.
As an academy.
Point proved.
Okay. I don't understand how to do this because I have to get to see this.
What are you doing? I won't know, but I want to look at it and pretend that I would.
I put it through chat.
Of course, Chad.
What is that? I can't read.
Suppose that one variable x is chosen randomly and uniformly from 0, 2. You know what that means? X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. And another variable y is also chosen randomly and uniformly with 0, 4, which means y is equal to 0, 4. And these are bound to be integral. And what is the probability that x is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 2x plus 1?
Probability.
0.1687.
You're taking stat.
This is calculus.
What's their fucking probability?
I don't know.
It's
He didn't
business
He didn't give a video
calculus.
on how to do it either. It's not business calculus.
I thought this was the business calc. What calc is
Social life calculus.
it? Social life? What the fuck? That's worse. Social life
It-
calculus?
It transferred from my degree, so
It works. It
it was
works.
calculus 1.
Might as well
Social life calc. That's the stupidest name of a class I've ever heard. Just make up another number for calculus. calculus 2.2 or something.
2.2.
Not quite 2.
Yeah, I set this up.
Not quite 2.1 either.
Nope.
Wait.
What? It's a ridiculous question.
No, it's not calculus. Let me think about it. I kind of know what it wants.
Negative?
What is the probability?
Wait, what? Did he mess up on the plus and minus as well?
I don't think so.
Because if you...
Chen, just like implant all your like knowledge in me so I can just pass this class. It's not that hard.
Yeah, it is.
0 to 2.
Absolutely impossible.
So x less than y. Equal or not equal?
Less than or equal to
Equal to. Okay.
2x plus 1. Is that the right one? Which is y is less than or equal to 2x plus 1.
Okay, so we can split this into more smaller parts. So if we have like x and y, and they're both from 0 to 2.
Is divergence test based off of 0, right? If it doesn't equal 1, it diverges. Or if it doesn't equal 0?
Doesn't equal.
If it doesn't equal 0, it diverges, right?
No, if it's yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So if we have x, y, and they're both randomly picked between 0 and 2, then what's the probability of x
Don't put the negative in the parentheses.
greater than equal to 1?
Oh, so
Wait.
It's like 50-50, right? If it's like,
Negative 1
yeah, so it's like
to the what power?
50%.
Usually have it to the n power,
You
right?
cut this into 2 parts.
But that gives you the wrong
This
ones.
part, what has a 50% chance
N plus 1.
of it's greater
That'll
than
make
x?
every other
or
one.
equal?
Yeah.
And there's a 100% chance that over here, if y is greater than 2, then it'll be actually just greater than x, because x can't be greater than 2. So if it's like 2 to 4, then it's just 100% greater.
okay.
Yeah. And they're both, so they're split into evenly. So this is like, there's like 50%. It's gonna land on this part, and there's like a 50% that's gonna land on this part, right? Because they're like, the range are the same.
Okay.
So they both have like a 50% of a shot. So 50% of 100% is like 50%, and plus 50 of 50 is.
So it's 75%?
Yeah. Yeah. But that's only for this part, is 75%. So,
Chen, that this still does not make
Did you guys get 10?
entirely.
Okay, so here's the thought. I
this
have
part,
3 to 2 other people possibly coming here to work on Calc 2. I found another
yeah, because
room
I haven't included this
the
part.
library / Isaac found another room in the library. Yes, and has a ton of whiteboards. Do we want to go to that?
Yeah, so
For one,
this part's
Mika,
gonna like decrease the chance.
do you guys want to come with us to go find a room with
But-
bigger whiteboards for everyone? Because I'm also bringing a few more people from Calc 2.
It's like 2x plus 1 is
Jacob, do you want to come with us? There's like a good group of us from our specific class too.
Where are you guys going?
We're thinking like 2nd floor of
Did you get either the negative
library.
from like 0 to
3rd floor.
3rd floor of the
Five.
library. It's specifically our class. That's the only reason why I said
Yeah,
it.
but isn't that place like super quiet?
There's
No, not that room.
not that room. There's like an enclosed room that's new that has like whiteboards and
Yeah,
stuff.
no, you have to
So
do,
like Isaac's going.
No, you got the.
Well, I have that. I know I got that
Oh,
part
there
right,
you go,
but
yeah,
you're
yeah,
right.
you
Root
would
test.
do root test.
Yeah.
All I have to know is this.
Because
We're
as soon
on the
as
floor
I
of
see
There's only one
the
integral on the
library.
exam, by the
There's
way.
like a big room with a bunch of
I don't know
I wouldn't
what
take
that
this
Oh, okay.
the class
Okay.
today.
Is that terribly hard?
No, the class or the lecture?
Can we check
Like the
to see if I
power
have any
series.
assignments?
I'm on
No.
the roll right now. Is
Whose
there any
camera
way
is
you
that?
can find the
Mm,
room
Joe.
and then
Oh, it's mine.
This is yours?
No.
How's that?
Yeah, this is
The
mine.
entire time.
I know. That's what scared me. I left it here and I thought somebody else's. Okay, we're gonna go head over there.
We're on the remember.
Yes.
I mean, I may just be stupid.
Huh?
I can't do calculus for the life of me.
She's vlogging.
Oh, I love that.
Have you guys met Antonia? Antonia, Tamijo, Antonia. I know.
Didn't we go to middle school together?
We did.
Yeah, okay.
Shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just lost my charger.
Not everyone.
I feel like most of the people I know.
What was wrong?
I don't even know where that is.
Fuck.
You didn't go to Roseland, did you?
I did.
You did? I don't remember yet.
Oh, you
I'm
did?
sorry.
No, it's fine. I only went for like a year and then COVID and then I transferred to a different school my senior year. So I could graduate. So yeah.
I just lost my
Well, hello again.
iPad charger. Yeah, it was in my pocket, and maybe on the
You wanna
back
do
we'll
this?
see it, but
Yeah, let's go over those intervals. Because that's what I was supposed to study today in class. I didn't go.
We're going back to the library?
Find the domain of.
one second, I'm gonna follow. Just need to grab my shit.
I do need to finish that homework, but I'd